Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel here today. We got Kevin here. We got this thing here. So you already know it's about to go down.
Oh yeah.
We're about to go
shoot time.
Yeah, about to go get some actual photos of this thing. Now that Dad's lowered it, it's on the new wheels. Can actually get some sick photos of it. So we're about to go grab some Mexican food.
Yes.
Then we're gonna go do the shoot. Then I gotta go to Ford and get O2 sensors for this thing because my rich ass tune already killed the O2 sensors that were in it. So we're gonna go find some new O2 sensors. I got the VIN number photoed on my phone. LMR has the Black Friday sales on them right now. So I'm just gonna go make sure that the part numbers match and then buy them somewhere else so they're cheaper. But we're gonna go ahead, hop in this thing. I'm back it out. Kevin's gonna film us bringing it out, and then we're gonna go ahead and hit the streets.
S650. What's the pick?
Everyone's gonna comment this because everyone hates this car for no reason. I like them both. I think they both have their pros and cons. This setup looks so good with these wheels and fitment now with 315s in the rear on the Belgian VF10s and then 285s in the front. So you get that perfect fitment now. The spacers came off and these wheels went on. I might throw a spacer on the front of my car just to kind of push it out a little bit, but looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and dive in. Dad's stalking on the ring camera. We're about to go ahead and throw the GoPro on the head strap and then start driving around. All right guys, we're in the car. How goofy do I look?
You look so weird.
Looking like a nerd. But we're out here cruising the back roads, going to the spot to take some photos of this thing. This thing drives actually really good now with it being lowered on the Magnaride Steeda Sport Springs and the Belgian VF10s. It feels super smooth and it's very responsive. It drives super well, turns pretty well, and you don't really feel the bumps. There's a big bump right here. Didn't even feel it. Okay. And it just feels like a good driving car now. Got our CarPlay up with the map showing where we're going, hitting some more big bumps. I forgot I turned off auto rev match. Right, click that button. Does it right for you. This car on a road course with auto rev match would be perfect. The one bad thing about auto rev match, first gear, like why? What's the point of that? You just tell me where to go.
Yeah, keep going straight. Are you filming now?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
You got for like a mile.
That's 590 miles on the car still.
It handles really well.
Yeah. Give me a road course. Let me go crazy. There's our famous spot.
Oh, bro, I can't put that on YouTube. Secret.
So I had to cover it up.
Alright, it'll be coming up on the left.
Right here.
Yeah.
Country road.
Take me home.
Oh, the pop.
Sounded good.
Tell me where to stop and slow down. I remember this road.
Yeah. You see this like middle patch? Just keep going, keep going. Alright, slow down. Stop right here. I'm gonna hop out, grab the camera.
I bet. Kev's playing Navigate, Mr. Navigator.
Yeah, you might sit for a second.
That big ass lens. Bruh.
Alright, back up quite a bit. I'm gonna go up there, I'll direct you.
He said quite a bit. Hey yo, my foot's on the brake and the car is trying to accelerate itself. This man's about to get the super zoom. I have the camera in super view right now, so you're not going to be able to really see. All right, now we've turned the car around, so we're facing the opposite way down the street. And Kevin's all the way over there taking the photos from us on some rear shots. He has the DRLs on, so you can actually get some good photos. So Kevin has to go on a walk all the way to the top of the hill because the lens that he's shooting with is such a far lens that he has to be far away from the car. So he's gonna try and center us on this piece of road right here to make the shot work. And then I want to get out, walk around the car, but since he's so far away, that's probably gonna be kind of hard. All right, we out here.
Yep, second spot. Let's roll.
Car's a little dirty, but the yellow be hiding it.
Got some fire shots earlier.
Hell yeah. This car's stance right
so much
now.
lighter.
I know.
Lens.
This car's stance is sick right now.
I love it.
The wheels, the lowering kit. This whole thing looks absolutely insane. Alright, so we got the photos done. Now we're here at Ford so I can talk to them about some O2 sensors. Also got to show Jason the new setup since he hasn't seen it yet. Then Kevin saw a Dark Horse. He's yet to see one.
A little camera action. Appreciation of the camera bag. Yeah.
You said what?
Real Mustang?
Well, that's EcoBoost. That's still fake.
Mustang. There's the real one.
Yeah, this is the real one. They got another yellow one on the lot here, but it's convertible.
Yeah, the rear looks good. But I don't know about those stickers on the front. I don't know. The hood looks good. This, I don't know about all that.
It's gonna be fun. I like it now. I hated it at the beginning.
I don't know. It's gonna take time. Jake, you got the same thing, man. Do a shoot.
The stripes on this one are painted.
Really?
Has a
Those
paint.
Recaros?
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's got the painted stripes, so there's no.
That is nice.
It's painted all the way across.
Ford is stepping it up.
Then they got this yellow convertible with the Night Pony package. I want to go look at this blue one down here. They got an Atlas blue with the bronze package. We have this Atlas blue with the bronze appearance package on the performance package. It's a 10-speed auto though with the red interior. It looks pretty good. All right, turn that back on. Good photos?
Yeah, it's cold.
Kevin's cold. I really hate this time of year because it's only, what is it, 5, 6 o'clock outside right now, and it's already dark out, and it's starting to rain. Why is it raining?
Not a fan.
And the TPSM light's on.
Copyright.
Aftermarket wheel life. I hope I'm dying. But all right, time to head home and wrap up this video. All right, y'all, that's gonna wrap up the video. Saw a little behind the scenes shoot. Bye. Saw a little behind the scenes of the photo shoot. Got to drive around for a little bit, talk for a few. But yeah, guys, this fitment is amazing on this car right now. The 20-inch VF10s, 285s up front, 315s in the rear. What a perfect fitment. Now I'm gonna go ahead, end the video here. I'm gonna grab some water because my throat is got me choking out right now, coughing. So we'll see you on the next one. Drop a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see y'all later. Peace out.